As we audit on Method 0, M0, PC, M0 OT, Method 0, PC, engram running by exteriorization, it becomes increasingly clear to us what Ron explains as the theory behind the commands. On Method 0, PC, engram running by exteriorization, locating a phrase, a lock, a secondary or an engram, and then having PC go exterior on the episode before asking it what it can create in the episode itself, leads PC to be cause on several things. And being cause is the only way to become clear. You can't think of sitting in a chair, having a good auditor and letting yourself be audited to become clear. Certainly not by being effect. In Series 81, New Creative Processing, Ron explains in very few lines the concept of create. That concept is to create by having a being. Create things by postulate, they can as is anything that currently exists, or create that which does not. One simply asks, what can you create? So by moving the PC into session, first to see the episode, then to exteriorize from the episode itself by seeing the dynamics at play, and later to postulate with the question, what can you create in this episode, you lead it to ASIS of the engram and create what does not exist in the episode, determination that it will not happen or whatever else the PC wants. This brings the PC to cause point by making the bank blow. Ron adds, 1. A PC can only recreate and as is what they perceive in pictures. 2. A PROT can only recreate and as is quantum pictures. It is interesting to understand how what he explains in Series 84, Method 0, OT facsimile running by quantum shifting acts at the level of a pre-clear or a pre-OT. So, quantum shifting could be loosely defined as a shift between two or more small units of measurement or energy. But what energy are we talking about here? And how small a unit? We are referring to the energy that is static and cannot be easily perceived by beings who are not clear. It is what creates mystery, stupidity, and blackness on a being's case, and their perception channels. And besides physical universe energy, one of the only things that's small is the postulates of a static being. Now, once a being is clear, they begin to subtly perceive and be affected by this quantum realm and other phenomenon. In fact, it is quantum shifting that affects them. This is caused by minute changes, via postulates, that then cause massive effects in a being's life and universe, and the life and universe of others. So as we audit a pre-clear and have images or perceptions, the more we advance in auditing, the more we ask him, what can create, making him postulate, the more we are faced with some static energy, quantum changes, creating changes in the universe. And the more we advance, the more the being can perceive these changes, clarify the points of non-perception and be cause on static energy and life. When we have understood this mechanism, then we can audit without barriers, as we know exactly where we are taking the PC or pre-OT, reduce what creates mystery, stupidity, and darkness in the case of a being, and in its channels of perception. Good sessions to all.